Hello friends, this is Ali from Shandong Machinery. This is our new machine, our new wood machine. This machine is suitable for making wood and agriculture waste. The capacity of this machine is around 1.5 to 2 tons per hour. Turning motor is about 132 kilovolts. And then this machine can make from 6 to 8 millimeters. It's already passed the CE European certificate. Now you can take, we have a lot of customers in all parts of the world. They have good quality, the high quality. The quick delivery we have from 1 to 10 days. We deliver all parts from Africa, America, Europe, everywhere. We have long-term guarantee. For our machine is the best quality. We have 3 years of gearbox guarantee. In electric motor have 80 months of guarantee. So I know you don't want to miss this opportunity, okay? We are waiting for you in Shandong Machinery.